This is the world's most iconic football trophy. But before it reaches the biggest stage in sports, it begins an incredible journey. With every measurement confirmed, the gold is transferred to the heart of the factory. Every bar is carefully handled under strict. Inside the furnace, temperatures rise high enough to transform solid gold into a glowing liquid. Under constant monitoring, the metal slowly melts into a perfectly refined. Once the gold reaches the perfect molten state, it is carefully transferred into a precision mold. Every second of the pouring process is controlled with. After cooling under carefully controlled conditions, the mold is opened for the very first reveal. The trophy has taken shape, but its surface is still rough. Now it begins the next stage.
With the raw casting, the trophy enters the finishing department. Here, master craftsmen carefully remove every imperfection, while precision laser scanners verify each curve.
With the surface perfectly shaped, the trophy enters one of the most delicate stages. Advanced CNC technology and skilled craftsmen work together to carve every iconic detail. With every detail now engraved, enters the polishing stage. Skilled craftsmen carefully will be joined with its iconic greenstone base. After achieving its flawless mirror finish, the same trophy moves directly to the assembly station. Waiting beneath it is the handcrafted green with absolute precision. Measurements confirmed, the final assembly begins. The trophy is secured to its malachite base. It stands as the world will recognize it, ready for final inspection. Now fully assembled, the trophy enters its most rigorous inspection stage. Advanced laser scanners and precision measuring systems examine every detail, ensuring absolute perfection. After passing every inspection, the same trophy receives its final hand finish. Expert craftsmen carefully polish every surface until it shines flawlessly. With its craftsmanship complete, the same trophy is officially documented. Every angle is photographed, every specification is recorded, and every detail filed before it can leave the factory. After final documentation, the trophy is placed inside a custom-built protective case designed to keep it completely secure. With every safety check complete, with every security protocol complete, the trophy begins its journey beyond the factory. Escorted under maximum protection, safely toward the world travel's biggest stage. After leaving the factory under maximum protection, the trophy arrives safely at the championship stadium. The sealed case is cation area, where the world's most coveted prize ready to be revealed. At last, the moment arrives. The protective case is opened, and the very same trophy that began its journey inside the factory is revealed in all its glory.
From raw gold inside a secure factory to the center of the world's biggest football stadium, every step of this incredible journey was guided ever